Hello, Lynn. Good morning. Okay. How are you today?
Good.
You're good. Okay, that's good to hear. All right, so let's check your let me share your screen so we can start with our lesson. So there you go, Lynn. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, what lesson are we now?
Let's go to the park.
Okay, Unit 34, let's go to the park. Okay. Here, Lynn, please read what are the vocabulary words we have here.
Jump,
Jump,
run,
run,
kick.
kick. Very good. You know these words?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now here, another set of words we have.
Pick,
Pick,
fly,
fly,
run.
wave. Okay, you know these words?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Now here, Lynn, we did it already last time, wherein you're able to get some correct answers, but then there were also mistakes. Okay. Lynn, can you do this again? Right
Yes.
is
Run.
an R and then change the word into continuous form. So,
visual fitness,
Okay, Lynn, please read. Please read, Lynn.
unlike coming over boarding home. Maxwell is not sleeping on sofa. My mother-in-law is staying at our house this week. I am eating my dinner right now. Bobby is working at the hair salon in this September. While he being play football tomorrow. They are not opening as nail shopping mall downtown.
Okay, Lynn, are you now sure with your answers? Ready to check?
Yes.
Okay, number one, are they coming over for dinner? Correct. Two, Maxwell is not sleeping on our sofa. Three, my mother-in-law is staying at our house this week. Four, I am eating my dinner right now. Five, Febby is working at her hair salon until September. Six, why is he, not why he being, okay? Be verbs mean, Pauline is, are, and am, okay? Why is he playing football now? And number seven, they are not opening a new shopping mall downtown. Very good, Lynn. You only got one mistake in this activity. Great work, okay? Great job, Lynn. Did great. All right. So here, Lynn, I want you to look at the picture and answer the given question. So, Lynn, where are these people in the picture? They are,
They are six people in the picture.
where? The question is where?
In here.
In the rain.
Okay. Next, how many people can you see in the picture, Lynn?
5.
How many?
There are six people.
All right. Very good. There are six people in the picture. And here, look at the picture, Lynn. How many boys can you see? Boys.
There are four boys.
There are four boys. And next, how many girls can you see? How many
There
girls?
are two girls.
Very good. Okay. Next here, how about women? How many women can you see?
There are two women.
Okay, very good, Lynn. Now here, Lynn, I have here 5 questions and you're going to find the answers from the given choices from letters A to E. Okay, please write your
Okay.
answers, Lynn, on the space given.
Teacher, finish.
Okay, please read, Lynn.
What is the big boy doing? E. Who's the running? B. Who's the wearing? D. What's the girls doing? C. What's the small boy doing? A.
Okay, let's check. So who is running? Very good. The man. B. Number 3, who is waving? It's letter D, the woman. Next is number 4. What is the girl doing? It's letter C, picking up a pear. And number 5, what is the small boy doing? Very good, Lynn. It's kicking a ball. Letter A. Perfectly answered, Lynn. Very good. Did great. Okay, so here, Lynn, let's do reading and writing part 5. You have to write one-word answers, questions. Sometimes parts of the answer are given. So you need to be able to answer a variety of questions. For example, the who, what questions. All right, so there you go, Lynn. Please look at the picture, understand the question, and write the missing word here.
Teacher, finish.
Please read, Lynn, together with your answers.
What's a picnic about? The small boy. What's the man doing? Running. What's a picking up a bear? The girl. What's the woman doing? Wearing. What's the big boy flying? A kite.
Dako. Okay, number 1, who is kicking a ball? It's the boy. 2, what is the man doing? Running, correct. Who is picking up a pear? It's the girl. 4, what is the woman doing? The woman is waving. Great job. And 10, what is the boy flying? It's a kite. Great work, Lynn. The spellings are correct as well as the answers. Okay, you did great. All right, so Lynn, before we start this activity or the next activity, could you please enter again so that you'll have more time in answering?